In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this viral AI trend. So first of all, we need to go to NovoAds AI, and here you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here to the dashboard, and you have to click here where it says image. Then you will paste the following prompt, and here where it says insert your national team, well, you have to insert your national team or club. So let's choose Spain, and then here you have to insert the rival team. So let's choose the USA. Perfect. Now we have to click here where it says reference, and here I'm going to choose a photo of myself. So let's click here, and now we have to go to settings. In settings, if the model is in Nano Banana Pro, you have to change it to GPT-Image 2. The aspect ratio, if you want the video to be horizontal, you have to change it to 16:9. The images in 3 is okay. And the quality, put it in medium. This is because the high quality is much expensive, but is more or less of the same quality as the medium quality. So I prefer the medium quality. And now we have to click here. Perfect, the images are being created, so we have to wait 1 minute. Perfect, the images has been created. I'm going to choose this one because I like it more than the other two. So now we have to click here where it says use as a start frame. And here the prompt that we are going to use is the following. Here we don't have to change anything, but in settings, we are going to change the model to Kling 3 because it's cheaper than VO 3.1. In the duration, I think that in 8 seconds is okay. And in the aspect ratio, be sure that it's in 16:9. So now let's click here. Let's click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 3 to 4 minutes. Perfect. Let's see the video. Well, I don't know what you think, but I like it a lot. It looks really realistic. So if you want to do a video like this one, you can try today NovoAds for just $1. And if you have any doubts, you can comment me in the comment section, and see you in the next video.